Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make really extraordinary money just by creating really very simple videos in 2020, and this type of videos get a lot of views. One thing which I have to tell you that in the initial phase this videos may not get so many views, but as time goes this videos rank very good in the search engine, okay, in the search of YouTube, and this type of videos get you a lot of views and make you a lot of money in 2020. And I'm also going to show you one affiliate program which you can promote utilizing and creating this type of very simple videos. You don't need to write any content and all that stuff. It's really easy and really simple. You don't even need to show your face. Okay, I'm showing my face, but you don't need to do so, and that's the happiest and the best thing for most of the people who are watching my videos. Okay, so now let's get started, and let me show you. First I will show you the affiliate program which you can promote. So if you have already started a YouTube channel, okay, and you want to promote something so that you can make some income out of it, so then I'm gonna show you that thing also. Okay, so you can use this program and you can promote this program any of the YouTube niche. All you need to do is add just one line to your computer. Okay, add just one line to your video. What is that line? Which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So watch this video till the end. Just that 10-second line can make you some money. Okay, so whatever niche you are working on YouTube, just stay focused on this video and watch this video till the end. So now let's get started. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel, Moneymaker001. You can just press the subscribe button of this channel, okay, so that you will get notified every time I come up with the awesome videos just like this. Okay, so the first program which I'm gonna show you is not ExpressVPN. Okay, I will show you even a better alternative of ExpressVPN. Okay, and that is NordVPN. Okay, NordVPN is really a great affiliate program, and the thing about this is that it is a really very trusted company. Okay, most of the people in the world or on earth are trusting this program. Okay, and a lot of businesses are using this program as their program. Okay, and that's the reason why I am telling you to promote this program, because it's really well known trusted company. Okay, and they pay you all the commissions on time. Okay, that's the really main important thing. Okay, so you can see you can earn up to 40% of commissions on sign up, okay, as well as 30% on the renewal. New sign up there is 40%, and you will earn 30% as a renewal for a very long period of time. And that's the best thing. This is one of the recurring affiliate programs which I love to promote, and most of the people would love to promote. Okay, so that's the reason why I am telling you to promote this VPN program, and how you are going to promote this VPN program is what I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video till the end and understand the entire process. Okay, so you can see that this is the affiliate program. All you need to do is click on this become an affiliate. Okay, no matter in whatever niche you are working on YouTube, okay, whatever type of videos you are promoting, you are creating, you can definitely promote this VPN program. So you can see all you need to have to give us your basic details about where you live and all this stuff in over here, and just sign up. Okay, provide all the genuine details so that you will get real money. Okay, because this is a genuine program, you need to provide your genuine information, and only after providing genuine information you will get approval to promote this program. That's something which is really very necessary. Most of the beginner affiliate marketers don't sign up properly on the affiliate networks or provide fake information, and that's the reason why they aren't accepted, and then they complain and they put a complaint in the comment box that the strategies you show are not working. I am not able to sign up for an affiliate program, so you don't have to commit that mistake. Okay, so now let's get started and let me show you. Okay, so once you sign up for this program, get your affiliate link. Now I'm going to show you the strategy with which you can promote this in 2020. This is a really great strategy. Okay, so all you need to do is go to YouTube. Okay, now I will suggest you one type of YouTube channel which you have to create. Okay, it's really simple to create this type of YouTube channel. All you need to search is knowledge base step by step. Okay, so this is the type of YouTube channel which you have to create. Let me show you what type of videos this channel creates. Okay, anyone can create this type of videos. It's really easy, it's really simple. Okay, so let's open this program. So now you can see that this channel creates very simple videos. Like you can see how to reset your Instagram password if you forgot it. Then the second video, how to make Instagram account private, how to delete your Instagram account. Now these are the things which most of the people know how to do, and most of the people who are new to internet, who are old age people, okay, they search all this video, all this type of terms on YouTube, and that's the reason why you have a great chance of ranking your videos. Okay, in the initial phase this type of videos may not get a lot of traffic, but in the later phase, means once you have uploaded the video and you have waited for 2 to 3 months, these videos will get started ranking in the YouTube search, and you will receive traffic for a very long period of time with this type of videos. That's something which you need to understand. Okay, so you just have to create this type of very simple videos. Now how you are gonna create this type of videos, what type of software you require? All you require is one computer, or you can also make this type of videos utilizing your smartphone. All you need to do is download a screen recorder application in your smartphone, but most of the things won't be able to do, you won't be able to do utilizing, okay, your smartphone. So that's the reason why I'm telling. So you need to download the software which is known as OBS Studio. Okay, there are a ton of tutorials which are available on YouTube on which show you and teach you how to use this affiliate marketing software and make money using this affiliate marketing software. So that's the reason why I am showing you. Okay, once you have installed this software on your computer, all you need to do is click on this plus button and create a project. Okay, after that you have created the project, all you need to do is add here this display capture webcam if you want to really add your face to your video, and that's it, and your settings are done with this program. But for more detailed setting you can check out other videos on YouTube. There are lots of videos which teach you how to make screen recording videos using OBS Studio. Okay, and you can make all this type of really simple videos. Okay, so you can see this very simple videos, and how to hide tagged photos on Instagram, how to add multiple links to Instagram bio, how to change your Instagram password. Okay, all this are really simple videos which you can make. Okay, so you can see how to share your Google Drive link on WhatsApp, how to share your Google Drive link on Facebook, and you can see that this type of videos are getting views every single day. Okay, so you can see that how to turn off your Facebook offline activity. Okay, it has got 10k views. You can see that how to share a TikTok video on Facebook, it's got 813 views, and this channel is monetized. You can see that how to watch movies of Netflix from another country. Okay, and he has used the VPN. Okay, so he is actually showing that how to use VPN and change your country in Netflix. Okay, and in the description he is promoting this VPN program. Okay, so this is how you are gonna make money. Okay, you just have to promote a VPN program in the description. Let me show you. So this is, so you can see there is an ad over here, and this is monetized. Okay, so you can see that he is sharing over here the VPN link. Okay, this is his affiliate link of this VPN, and he is providing that link in the description of this very simple YouTube videos. And in the end of the videos he is just saying one line. Okay, I was just gonna tell you that line, and that line is that if you really want to browse internet with total safety, then all you need to do is buy a VPN program which can help you browse safe internet. Okay, browse internet safely, and you can check out the link in the description of Express VPN. This is the product which can really help you to browse your internet safely, and that's it. That's what you have to speak in all your videos, and you just have to provide the link in the description of the VPN program which I have shown. Okay, you can choose any of the VPN program. It may be Express VPN, it may be Node VPN, it's your choice. Okay, whatever VPN you want to promote, you can promote, and this is one of the program which most of the people prefer to buy. Okay, that's really important, because these are very trusted VPN companies, and most of the people are really interested in buying in marketing. So you can see that these are not really difficult videos. Okay, many of the people may know how to use Instagram, how to create this Facebook. Okay, so this is really simple videos. Okay, if you don't know how to make this type of way, or are not getting any idea of how to make videos, then all you need to do is check out this channel knowledge base. You can also create your own videos on the titles which this person has used. Okay, don't just copy the title. For example, you can see this is very easy and very simple. Okay, how to convert PNG to vector. Okay, so you can see how to insert page form, insert form page 3. Okay, insert page numbers and all this really easy simple stuff on Google Drive. Okay, so these things are done really very easily, and you can make this type of videos. Okay, all these videos are almost 1 minute videos. Okay, so you can make almost 5 to 10 videos every single day just like this, upload them on YouTube. Now in this type of YouTube channel, you just have to put emphasis on quantity of content. That's really important, because the more videos you upload, the more money you make with this type of YouTube channel. That's the only trick. Okay, and you just have to provide your VPN link in the description of every single video which you are creating, and this is how you are gonna make money in the long term in 2020. I'm not saying that you will get rich overnight doing this method, but if you consistently practice this method, then you are really gonna make a lot of money in 2020. But this is the entire right strategy to promote this type of affiliate programs. Not all the affiliate gurus will be revealing you this really simple easy strategies, but I have decided that I will provide all the free value in my YouTube videos, and that's the reason why I'm providing all this free value in my videos to you, so that you can make the most money online, even more money than I am making. Because once upon a time I was stuck in a 9 to 5 job, and that was the worst part of my life, and really I wasn't able to spend any time with my family, and I wasn't able to do anything as per my will. Okay, all things were controlled by my boss. Okay, and all the things which were happening weren't very good. But after that I decided that I will start an online business. First I started the online business and was doing online business after getting free from my job, but day by day I just became good at online business. I just learned how to do it, started making some money out of it, and that's the reason why I was able to leave my job. Now I can travel the world as per my will. I am spending my time with my family and enjoying a lot in my life, because I just have to walk from the comfort of my home, taking a coffee in my hand, just creating videos just like this, very simple videos, and really making a ton of money doing this very simple easy stuff. You can also do this. You can also have this lifestyle of freedom, and that's the reason why I am creating this type of videos for you, so that you can achieve a life of freedom. Okay, so smash that like button, press that subscribe button and the bell notification, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.